In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoXLR to Stream Deck. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Stream Deck is fully compatible with GoXLR, so they will have integration natively. All that you have to do is make sure that the software for both of these devices are up to date. So download the GoXLR software from their official website. So if you go over to tc-helium.com, you can find all of the downloads here. Download it for your particular model and do the exact same thing with your Stream Deck. So you look for the Stream Deck software and you download the latest version. If you already have the software installed, then just make sure that it is up to date. Once you have the software good to go, if you look at the right side of the Stream Deck software, you will find the option to add new items, and one of the items is going to be GoXLR. So all that you have to do is expand the view by tapping on this icon here, and you will see plenty of options to add to your Stream Deck, and one of them should be the GoXLR. If it doesn't appear here, then make sure that you installed it properly and check the folder for the GoXLR. There should be an executable that you can use to make it detectable within the Stream Deck software. So now you will have access to the GoXLR profile change and GoXLR routing table change shortcuts. You can add them to any of the slots available on your Stream Deck. And now you will see the options to give it a title, change the icon, and if you use the profile change, this will switch the profile that you have active. So if you have multiple profiles on the GoXLR software, this button will switch between them on the fly. The other option is a routing table change. So if you have different routing tables attributed to different profiles, or if you just want to use a specific routing shortcut without creating new profiles, you can do so here. So for example, this routing table change will toggle the music input on the headphones output, and you can control it this way with all of the inputs and outputs currently set up. So I hope I was able to help you on setting them together. If this video helped you set up your GoXLR and your Stream Deck, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our channel are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.